Hello! Today we are going to be talking about time reports. Things have kind of changed with our new 514 update, so we just want to kind of reiterate and go over time reports. So first off, in order to find time reports, you go down to the Reports tab and then click Time Reports. You can have different lead types here to kind of separate them out, like home improvement, auto insurance, that kind of thing. So to start creating a time report, you click Add New Time Report. Wait for it to load. And so first off, you choose which report you want to use. If you've been using boberdoo for a while, then you know that different reports grab different data sets. If you're newer, we have an entire page on our website which goes over the different kind of reports that we have. For something simple, let's just do leads by hour. So for the period, you can choose what time period that the data is going to be pulled from. So if you want to know your leads by hour from yesterday, if you want to know your leads by hour for the past 30 days, then you would choose that. If you wanted it to only be the leads per hour last week, but only from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., you would change the time period here. When you're done creating the time report, you can choose to set it not active or active right away. If you set it as active, know that's going to pull from that second you start it. How you want to get your data. Do you want to get your data through your Amazon S3 account, FTP, SFTP, or through email? We're going to do email just because it's the easiest. From here, you choose your recipient. If it's you, then you just put your email. If it's a partner, then you put a partner's email. Password is where things have started changing. So with all the data laws, and honestly, being secure has always been important, and it should be important to everyone. So in order to have everything be more secure, we put email passwords in for timed reports so that personal identifiable information is going to stay a lot more safe. So just remember the password if it's for you. If you're sending an email to a partner, make sure that you send them the password as well so they're able to open their timed report. The email subject, what you want the subject to say, body. If you want to keep it blank, it's just going to do the default. If you want to put words in, magic strings in, go for it. The file name, what you want to name the time report file. Which days you want it to send. Do you want it to send on the 1st of every month, the 20th, every Monday, every Tuesday, every day? Every Monday is a good one because when you get into the office, you can kind of see what happened over the past week or weekend. Hours to send, when you want it to actually show up. Do you want it to show up at 8 a.m.? Do you want it to show up at 5 p.m.? Whatever works for you. Zip the file. You can't change it. It's always going to be yes. Zip file name, it's optional if you want to name your zip file. Other parameters, these can be used to customize or tailor the info that is included in the report. For example, if a report is listing out the lead sales by partner, you can put in the specific partner ID, which let's just say it's 123. Then when the report is sent, it will only include the info that relates to that specific partner ID 123. And then company, skip sending blank report, so if nothing happens, it just won't send a report. CSV separator, that's just for formatting how the data is sent out. And then fields to send. This is only used for the admin leads report, but allows you to customize what fields to include in the report. So if you wanted it to only send and have the lead ID, date, and phone, the report will only send out those 3 columns. Cool. And then you would save, but we're not going to. And if you're an older client and you have time reports, you're going to need to set up the email password before they're active. It's going to happen to everyone, and we just need everyone to start setting these passwords for their time reports that they have and make new passwords from here on out. That's about it. Thank you for watching.